Hello guys. This time we'll talk about the tips on how to trade gold. We have here two tips on how to trade the gold and how to conquer the movement in the market. First, you must know the fundamental analysis about the gold. No? On how to check the technical or the unknown. The fundamental analysis and how to check that. Check the latest news at forexfactory.com. If the folder is red, that is means high impact news. If the folder is orange, that is moderately impact or the average. Then focus on the red folder means the movement of the market would be volatile at that time. Next is compare the movements of gold and US dollar index or DXY. This will help us to identify what is the movement of the two pairs or the gold. If gold is go down, the DXY might go up. These two has opposite direction. Always or most of the time, the direction of these two is opposite. Then, if the gold is up, the DXY is down. Then, if the gold is sideways, the DXY is also sideways. Okay, on how to see this in the real chart, we're going to the real chart in order for you to have an additional knowledge or the explanation about this one. Okay, let's go to the real chart. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa real chart ng gold at DXY. So, as you can see, the direction of the movement is opposite. The gold moved upward while the DXY or US dollar index moved downward. This comparison happens on October 3, 2022 okay, and October 3, 2022. So the same day, but the direction of the market, the two pairs is different from each other. This the one way now to trade gold can identify the movement of US dollar. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope may natutunan kayo hanggang sa susunod nating video. Please subscribe and like sa ating channel. At i-share na rin kung meron kayong time para tayo ma-inspire pa sa paggawa ng ganitong video. Bye-bye!